can an Igbo man come and start killing the people you're trying to protect? Is that not stupid? How can anybody believe that? We are Igbos and we want Biafra, and you will not come to our own region and we started killing our people. Is that not sanity? That is stupidity. Any sane man will know that this thing is a purported lie to cause disaffection, to cause problem. How can you believe that? That Biafra soldiers now came, called out. Those small, they were small. During war, of course, when there is a war, you see all manner of things. And that's exactly what the Nigerian soldiers used over the Biafran soldiers. They camouflage their uniform. That was what we were told. And they came and shoot people. And so, in that thought, you have a different mindset over the Biafra soldiers. So these people, the way we trusted them, so they came to kill us. These are the things that culminated and brought about the seizure of houses and all that, and a lot of houses were seized. I said, how can you come and rape our women and kill our people?
Okay, about this, in Abonima, they still celebrate a festival or a remembrance when the Nigerian forces liberated the so-called liberation of Abonima from the Biafran soldiers. I know we are digressing now, but it is good to put it clear based on what you have said. You know, just what the Nigerian soldiers, you said Nigerian soldiers did by camouflaging as Biafran soldiers. Could it be the same thing that happened in Abonima?
This scenario happened everywhere in the Niger Delta. If a John man tells you the story of Biafra, you will even feel very, very bad. The story is not good. It's not palatable to the ear. Make a German come tell you, tell you story about the Biafra. They will tell you very negative things about the Biafra people. How did this thing happen? It is the mastermind of the Nigerian government. They came up with this arrangement. You come to a war, that is a war crime. You camouflage the Biafra uniform because you passed through the Bonny houses and all that. I came in, attacked, finished the Bonny and all that. And some of these soldiers came into our hinterland, and started killing people using Biafra uniform. How is that supposed to? Why is that not supposed to cause you to denounce these people? When you have come to kill, and then some of them were caught. Some of them were actually speaking Hausa language. They could not even speak
Igbo.
In our community, they caught some. And there are some persons who saw their entourage, the military containment or whatever they call it. They heard them speaking these languages, this foreign language. And then the story was told. But some persons wouldn't believe. Some persons feel no, it's not true. But this was what took place during the war. Our people need to hear this aspect of it. How can an Igbo man come and start killing the people you're trying to protect? Is that not stupid? How can anybody believe that? We are Igbos and we want Biafra, and you will not come to our own region and we started killing our people. Is that not sanity? That is stupidity. Any sane man will know that this thing is a purported lie to cause disaffection, to cause problem. How can you believe that? That Biafra soldiers now came, called out. Those small, they were small. Some of the Biafra soldiers were small children now. They were small children directed. Some of the elders did not come out to collect gun. Just like today now, they say, come and collect gun. Our old men hide themselves. And then they now encourage the little ones to go and carry from the age of 20 to 20, 30 to 20,
Even 15.
even 15. And you think those boys will now come with even after their own life. How do we save our own life? There was that fear, fight. Those boys now came and started raping. See how people think. Raping their own people, killing their own people. That is a big lie. This whole thing is political. Our people must understand that. I have a lot of things to say in this case, but I don't just want to cause some.
Okay, all right, brother Chimenu Amadi, I thank you. I thank you for being on this show today. It has really been wonderful. I remain your faithfully Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbos non-proponent. We will be drawing this particular program to a close right now, and I promise you that I will bring in my own brother, Mr. Chimenu Amadi, again, as we continue to find ways to unify the Igbo people. I promise you that I will have more engaging topics with him, and also to engage more youths, because this is the battle of the youth. It is no longer for the old. It is our responsibility now to change the narrative. And I am calling on every goodwill person out there. I am calling on people who knows about the preservation of culture and tradition, people who knows about identity, people who knows about the identity of politics of identity, to come on, sponsor this program, support this campaign, so that we can be able to do more. When I mean do more, do really marvelous things. Thank you once again. God bless.